Imagine losing half your life savings. Not because of a bad investment, but because of a tiny bias in your mind you didn't even know existed. Sounds terrifying, right? Money decisions aren't made on spreadsheets. They're made in our hearts and minds. Today, we're diving into the hidden world inside your head, where behavioral biases control your financial destiny. Stay with me, because understanding this could mean the difference between being broke and being wildly wealthy. Act 1. Set the stage. Introduce the problem. Money is supposed to be logical. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Save more, spend less. Invest early, retire rich. Simple, right? Then why do smart people still make dumb money decisions every single day? Yep, been there. Done that. Here's the catch: money is emotional. Every time you swipe your card, invest in stocks, or ignore your budget, it's not just logic. It's fear, greed, FOMO, and hundreds of years of evolutionary survival instincts taking the wheel. And trust me, these hidden instincts are costing you way more than you think. Let's expose the biggest traps. Act 2. The core, main content, 5 major biases. 1. Loss aversion, fear of losing money. Research shows losing $100 feels twice as painful as gaining $100 feels good. That's called loss aversion, and it's why we often sell winning investments too early, or hold on to losers for too long, just hoping they'll bounce back. Fear paralyzes our wealth building. Reality check: the fear of losing small keeps you from winning big. 2. Overconfidence bias, thinking you're smarter than you are. Ever heard someone say, "I knew Tesla stock was gonna explode," after it already did? Welcome to overconfidence bias, where we remember our wins, forget our losses, and convince ourselves we're financial geniuses. Spoiler alert, markets are humbling. Smart investors stay humble and rich. 3. Anchoring bias, getting stuck on irrelevant numbers. Imagine a stock falls from $200 to $50. You think, wow, bargain. But what if $50 is still overpriced? That's anchoring bias, when we lock onto the first number we see, and it warps every decision after that. Real investors? They don't anchor. They adapt. And the next bias? It's quietly draining your bank account. Every single month. 4. Present bias, choosing now over later. Why save for retirement when you can buy the new iPhone today? That's present bias, favoring instant pleasure over long-term success. Future you? They're begging you to delay gratification. Remember, every dollar you save today buys time, freedom, and power tomorrow. 5. Herd mentality, following the crowd. Crypto is skyrocketing. Everyone's getting rich. You panic. You buy in. Market crashes. Sound familiar? Herd mentality is deadly. In money, if you move like the crowd, you'll lose like the crowd. Following the herd may get you to the mall, but it won't get you to millions. Act 3. Resolution, inspire action. Here's the truth. You're not born financially smart. You become financially smart. When you understand your mind's traps, you take back control. Master your behavior. Master your money. Master your future. Because wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about mastering yourself. The sooner you start making decisions with clarity instead of fear, with patience instead of panic, the sooner you start living the life you dream about.